Hi guys, here we are with our eBay listing for our Spy sunglasses. These are a brand new model. Let's go ahead, open the box and see what we got. Inside the box we have the glasses case. And the glasses. We also have the remote to start and stop recording. We also have the adapter used to charge both the arms for the sunglasses, so the arms of the batteries. We then have two sunglass battery arms, a USB cable for charging and also for interfacing with the computer and downloading your videos, a cloth, and a spare pair of nose bridges.